always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Cloudy conditions as we get a glance outside in East Grand Rapids right now. Even with the cloud cover, it does remain pretty comfortable out there. A temperature of 40 degrees. And down at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport, we have an east-southeast wind sustained at 3 miles per hour. Here's a preview of high temperatures for this afternoon. Looks like temperatures are pretty much going to be stationary through the remainder of the day here. 38 degrees in Howard City and Ravenna, 37 degrees Whitehall and Hart. Expecting to see our temperature climb to about 40 this afternoon. Continuing to hold on to that here in Grand Rapids. 42 in Portland, and a high temperature of 41 degrees in Kalamazoo, 42 in Coldwater and Sturgis. We do have a winter storm watch, which is going to take effect tonight. It lasts until Thursday night. We should expect to have some much colder air with us. Wind chills falling near 0 on Thursday morning, and then we'll warm things back up as we transition into the weekend with some chances for rain-snow mixes. Here's a look at that cold air intrusion as we get into Thursday morning. It's really going to be brisk out there, and then we should start to work in some warmer air as we advance into the weekend, so we'll thaw things back out pretty soon. In the meantime, winter storm watches go into effect tonight. Those last until 7 o'clock in the evening on Thursday for much of the lakeshore, extending further east into Kent County, Berry County, and also Kalamazoo counties. Let's go ahead and look at futurecasts now. You can see that things will start as a mixed bag of some precipitation moving toward 6, 7 o'clock tonight. That's the initial time frame. It looks like that'll snap over into snow as we head into Wednesday morning. It could come down heavy at times as we go through the course of the day on Wednesday. We'll see a continuation of the lake effect snow on Thursday, but it looks like it'll start to ease off through Thursday afternoon. By the time that we wake up on Friday morning, it's likely that that event is finished, and then we'll be tracking our next system as you can see that mixed bag of precipitation off to the west on Saturday afternoon. Here's a look at snowfall. We do expect to see between 3 and 6 inches of widespread accumulation in West Michigan. As you head further east of US 131, the amounts will taper off about 1 to 3 inches of snow as you approach Ionia and Greenville. Meanwhile, toward the lakeshore, those are the spots that are going to be impacted the most. 6+ inches of snow appears possible for Muskegon and Holland, extending further south toward Benton Harbor. So again, the impacts are going to be felt at their greatest as you move closer toward the lakefront in terms of the heaviest snow and also the most dangerous road conditions. Wednesday and Thursday, the optimal time frame for this system, and low visibility and pockets of heavy snow also expected. Here's a look at wind gust futurecast. The wind is also going to be accelerating as we move forward into tomorrow, with gusts for most of the day between about 20 and 30 miles per hour. We'll see those top 30 miles per hour as we get into tomorrow night, and then continuing on through Thursday. So even as the snow continues to ease off through Thursday afternoon, we'll still have to worry about the wind, which is going to be creating some visibility problems continuing on. Let's look at temperatures and wind chills. We're also going to have much colder weather to experience here as we move toward the weekend, especially on Thursday with those wind chill values falling down near 0. Here's a look then at the 8-day forecast. Looks like Thursday will be the coldest day of the upcoming forecast here. Quieter conditions on Friday before the atmosphere reloads with some precipitation chances extending through the weekend and warmer air. George and Sue.
All right, thank you, Scott.